the axon terminal, postsynaptic membrane, neurotransmitter binding sites, synapse, calcium ions, neurotransmitter, and enzyme. When an action potential arrives, it stimulates the influx of calcium ions, which causes the release of the neurotransmitters. They will bind to the receptors, and then something happens. Calcium ions are removed. Then the enzyme will break down the neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters then get reabsorbed, or the breakdown products do, and converted back into the original neurotransmitter. This is a neuron. These are the dendrites, cell body, axon, myelin sheath, axon terminals, calcium ions, neurotransmitters, sodium ions, negatively charged proteins, potassium ions. It has an overall net negative charge on the inside and a positive charge on the outside. When stimulated, the dendrites will have an influx of sodium ions, which increases the charge inside the neuron. If it reaches the threshold, the cell body will initiate an action potential. When the action potential reaches the axon terminals, calcium will go inside and neurotransmitters will be released. To return to its original state, the neuron has to repolarize. Potassium ions are pumped out, and then they are pumped back in exchange for the sodium ions. That's repolarization. Hyperpolarization occurs when potassium ions are pumped out and the overall charge inside the neuron decreases, becomes more negative.